As we've explored the rapid advancements in artificial intelligence over the past year, a disturbing trend has emerged. 7 AI tools launched in just the last 12 months are not only transforming industries but actively replacing entire job categories. The notion that automation will displace human workers is no longer a prediction for some distant future, it's already happening. Consider Dr. Fei-Fei Li, director of the Stanford Artificial Intelligence Lab, who has been at the forefront of AI innovation. In an interview with Bloomberg, she revealed that her own lab is working on developing an AI-powered tool to automate data entry and management tasks in various industries. But what's striking about this development is its potential impact on millions of workers worldwide. The numbers are staggering. According to a report by McKinsey, up to 800 million jobs could be lost due to automation by 2030. While these predictions have been met with skepticism by some, the reality on the ground suggests that AI-powered tools are already having a profound impact on job markets. Take the example of Amazon's acquisition of Aero, a company that specializes in developing AI-driven Wi-Fi management systems. This move has sent shockwaves through the IT sector, as it highlights the growing demand for AI-powered infrastructure. The consequences of this trend are far-reaching and multifaceted. As AI tools continue to automate routine tasks and decision-making processes, workers across various industries, from customer service representatives to bookkeepers, face an uncertain future. With unemployment rates projected to rise exponentially over the next decade, it's imperative that professionals in every sector understand the implications of these emerging technologies. But what does this mean for you? As a viewer, you might be wondering if your job is at risk. Will AI tools replace you, or will they augment and enhance your work? To answer these questions and more, we'll delve into the specifics of each AI tool that's replacing jobs in 2026, from language translation software to predictive maintenance systems. Dr. Fei-Fei Li, the director of the Stanford Artificial Intelligence Lab, has been vocal about her concerns regarding the impact of AI on various industries. She points out that while AI is being hailed as a revolutionary force, its automation capabilities are quietly taking over jobs across the board. This isn't just speculation, we've seen tangible evidence in recent months with the emergence of 7 cutting-edge AI tools. These innovations have disrupted job markets in ways both subtle and profound. For instance, the introduction of DID's deepfake technology has rendered certain types of content creators obsolete. With AI-generated faces and voices now indistinguishable from real ones, the demand for human actors in fields like film, advertising, and even politics is dwindling. Another area where AI is making significant inroads is customer service. The likes of IBM's Watson Assistant and Google Cloud's Contact Center AI are rapidly automating customer support queries, freeing up human agents to focus on higher-level issues that require empathy and emotional intelligence. The healthcare industry is also seeing a seismic shift with the deployment of AI-powered diagnostic tools like Aiden's AI-assisted imaging analysis. These systems can detect diseases at an unprecedented rate and accuracy, rendering certain medical professionals redundant in the process. Meanwhile, the education sector is being transformed by AI-driven learning platforms such as Dreambox Learning and Brightbytes Clarity. While these innovations promise to personalize learning experiences for students worldwide, they also threaten traditional teaching roles that were once considered sacrosanct. According to a recent report by the McKinsey Global Institute, automation and AI are projected to replace up to 30% of jobs in developed economies by 2030. However, the reality is that it's already happening at an alarming rate. In 2025 alone, 7 AI tools have been launched that are actively replacing entire job categories. One such tool is Google's Lambda, large language model for dialogue applications, which has demonstrated human-like conversational abilities, capable of passing the Turing test in many instances. This raises significant concerns about its potential to replace customer service representatives and telemarketers. Another AI tool making waves is Amazon's Rekognition, an image recognition software that can identify faces, objects, and even track individuals. While initially designed for law enforcement agencies, it has sparked controversy over its potential misuse, including the automation of jobs in surveillance and monitoring. Artificial intelligence is also revolutionizing the education sector with tools like Dreambox Learning, which provides personalized math lessons to students using AI-driven adaptive learning technology. While this may seem beneficial, it raises concerns about the role of teachers in delivering these lessons, potentially replacing entire categories of educators. The statistics are striking. A report by HBR found that 47% of companies have already adopted AI-powered tools for automating tasks and processes, with a further 27% planning to do so within the next 2 years. This level of adoption is unprecedented, and it's imperative that professionals understand the implications on their industries. But what about jobs in traditionally safe sectors? According to a report by PwC, AI could replace up to 70% of jobs in finance and accounting by 2026, with tasks such as data entry, tax preparation, and even investment analysis becoming increasingly automated. The implications of these AI tools on the job market are far-reaching and multifaceted. A recent report by Gartner predicted that up to 85 million jobs will be displaced by automation by 2025, with many more emerging in fields like data science and artificial intelligence. The launch of 7 AI tools in the last year has accelerated this trend, pushing professionals in various industries to adapt quickly. One such tool is the AI-powered chatbot launched by IBM earlier this year, which can process natural language and respond accordingly. With its ability to handle complex customer queries, it's no wonder that many companies are replacing human customer support agents with these chatbots. In fact, a survey conducted by Deloitte found that 45% of businesses have already started using AI-powered chatbots to reduce their operational costs. Another area where AI is making significant inroads is in the field of writing and content creation. The launch of WordLift's AI-powered content generator has given rise to concerns about the potential displacement of human writers and editors. According to a report by the McKinsey Global Institute, up to 30% of professional writing tasks could be automated in the next few years. The rapid adoption of these AI tools also raises questions about job displacement and retraining. A study by the World Economic Forum found that while automation will displace some jobs, it will also create new ones, but only if professionals are willing to upskill and reskill accordingly. The question on everyone's mind is, what happens to those who don't adapt? Will they be left behind in a rapidly changing job market? The AI-powered job displacement trend has significant implications for governments, policymakers, and educators. Governments need to invest in retraining programs that focus on emerging technologies like AI, while also creating policies that support workers who are displaced by automation. Policymakers must weigh the benefits of cost savings against the potential costs of social disruption. Educators have a crucial role to play in preparing students for an AI-driven job market, where continuous learning and adaptation will be essential skills. As we move into 2026, it's clear that the effects of these 7 AI tools will only continue to grow. With such rapid advancements in automation, professionals must start taking proactive steps to prepare themselves for a future that's increasingly driven by machines. As we dive deeper into the world of AI-powered job displacement, it's essential to examine the turning point that has led us to this critical juncture. The launch of 7 groundbreaking AI tools in the last year has marked a significant shift in the industry landscape. These innovations are not just incremental improvements, they represent a paradigmatic leap forward. One such tool is the chatbot developed by Google, capable of handling complex customer inquiries with unprecedented accuracy. With its ability to analyze and respond to natural language inputs, this AI-powered assistant is already replacing thousands of customer service representatives across various sectors. What's more alarming is that this tech giant has announced plans to deploy an even more advanced version in 2026. Another disturbing trend is the rise of automated content creation tools. The introduction of AI-generated music and video editing software has sparked a wave of job losses among creatives, who are struggling to adapt to these new technologies. According to recent estimates, the global creative industry will witness a staggering 30% reduction in employment opportunities by 2026. The healthcare sector is also facing unprecedented disruption. A cutting-edge AI tool capable of diagnosing diseases with an accuracy rate of 95% has recently been launched, potentially replacing thousands of medical professionals. The implications are far-reaching, raising questions about the future of human medical expertise and the role of AI in high-stakes decision-making. These developments are a harbinger of what's to come. As we hurtle toward a future where automation reigns supreme, it's essential for workers, policymakers, and industry leaders to reassess their strategies. The writing is on the wall, these 7 AI tools represent just the tip of the iceberg, and the full extent of job displacement will only become more apparent